Yeah man, let's hop right into this video. So as you can see in the video, the rearview mirror is shaking. Let's jump right into it. Yeah, so while observing it, I noticed that the bracket that is supposed to be bolted down to, the screws were missing. So I had to get 3 screws for it. Yeah, so after finish installing the screw them, let's check to see how it is. Yeah, that's firm at the Rock of Gibraltar. Yeah man! So now it's time to go install what this rearview mirror on the car. Jamaican style, keep your eye them peeled. Boom, just like that. If you want to see more content like this, go follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more.